Hello, shoppers. I bought these 2-pack of 6 outlets, extension for a regular wall outlet. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box and show you how to install it. So this is the 2-pack. It also has a screw in the center. So you're just going to take out the screw to your normal wall plate. And then you're going to just plug this onto your outlet, screw it in, and now you go from 2 to 6 outlets. I'm going to go install it in this outlet that I have up here, and I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. All right, I got this one installed. It's really easy. Now I have extra room for more outlets. I'm going to go install the second one. And that's all you have to it. So I just unscrewed the wall plate of the outlet and put this in its place, and now you got 6 outlets. So if you guys need a 2-pack like this, go ahead and get it. Thanks.